Once you get all of your ISO blocks drawn, you can then submit them. To do this, we need to put them on what is called an IDW. So we're going to go to New, and then we're going to look for our template. Now, if you don't have a template in this section that says UVMS template, you should ask me how to get it in there, and I'll show you. But this is the UVMS template. And when you double click on it, you should get a prompted entry, which is this, where you will put your name, your period, the scale, the teacher, and the title. All in capital letters. Something pops up like that, just hit OK. So, this gives us our template. All our information's in there. If we made a mistake or something's not right, you can click over here where it says PLTW, click the plus, and then in text field, if you double click it, you can change any of that information. Okay. So once we're in here, we need to start bringing our drawings in. We're going to do this a lot over the course, but today will probably be the easiest version. So to bring a new drawing in, we're going to go to Base. And then you have to go find your drawing. So if we go to where the magnifying glass is, we go find it. I put all of mine in a folder in my documents. So if we go to that folder, you can go to any of the ISO blocks, order unimportant, and go to Open. Now, like I see right here, the scale is 1/4, so that's what I'm going to eventually change the scale to. And this size works good. Now, we don't want to put our drawing in like this. What I'm going to want to do is put all of the drawings in like that. So I'm going to click the house, and then I'm going to put the drawing somewhere. We've got some other options we can do, like we can shade it. We can have hidden lines removed, or we can add the hidden lines. We're just going to go with hidden lines removed right now and drop it in there. And it'll give it to you just like this. And then you're going to repeat that step for each of the drawings. Going to go in. Now I don't care where you place the drawings as long as all of them fit well. So we get all of the drawings in. That's the third one. Well, that's the fifth one, I should say. No, that's the third one. The fourth one. I'm going to throw that up in this corner. And then the fifth one. So that's all 5 of them. Once I have this done, I have to change my scale because, like I said, we're going to change the scale to 1/4. So that fixes that. And then if you wanted to add them in shaded, you could do that. This is unimportant, but if you wanted to, this is what shading them does. It adds colors, which I can show you how to do later. But that's really unimportant, so I'm going to leave all of mine like the example. So once you're all done, you're going to want to save that. I'm just going to save it in my ISO blocks folder as ISO Basic. So that saves it on the computer so I can reopen it and edit it and change it if I make a mistake. But to submit it, what we're going to have to do is export it to a PDF. And once again, you save in the same spot as ISO Basic, but this makes it into a PDF, and that is critical for when you go and upload it into Google Classroom. So this is what it looks like as a PDF. So that is how you get the document ready to be submitted.